I wake up at 6 a.m.
I wake up at 6 a.m.
I turn off the alarm.
I turn off the alarm.
I stretch my body.
I stretch my body.
I sit on the bed for a minute.
I sit on the bed for a minute.
I go to the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I freshen up.
I freshen up.
I drink a glass of water.
I drink a glass of water.
I do some light stretching.
I do some light stretching.
I start my morning exercise.
I start my morning exercise.
I do push-ups and sit-ups.
I do push-ups and sit-ups.
I do some yoga.
I do some yoga.
I take deep breaths.
I take deep breaths.
I thank God for a new day.
I thank God for a new day.
I take a quick shower.
I take a quick shower.
I dry myself with a towel.
I dry myself with a towel.
I wear fresh clothes.
I wear fresh clothes.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I put on some perfume.
I put on some perfume.
I prepare a light breakfast.
I prepare a light breakfast.
I eat my breakfast slowly.
I eat my breakfast slowly.
I drink tea or coffee.
I drink tea or coffee.
I read the newspaper or scroll my phone.
I read the newspaper or scroll my phone.
I check my to-do list.
I check my to-do list.
I plan my day.
I plan my day.
Tidy up my room.
I tidy up my room.
I make my bed.
I make my bed.
I organize my desk.
I organize my desk.
I pack my bag if needed.
I pack my bag if needed.
I wear my watch.
I wear my watch.
I put on my shoes.
I put on my shoes.
I say goodbye to my family.
I say goodbye to my family.
I lock the door before leaving.
I lock the door before leaving.
I walk to the bus stop or garage.
I walk to the bus stop or garage.
I wait for the bus or rickshaw.
I wait for the bus or rickshaw.
I greet the driver politely.
I greet the driver politely.
I sit quietly during the ride.
I sit quietly during the ride.
I think about my tasks for the day.
I think about my tasks for the day.
I arrive at my destination around 10 a.m.
I arrive at my destination around 10 a.m.
If you'd like to see more content like this, a comment below.